Hamilton County Schools will start the first day back to class in less than 24 hours. But with the COVID-19 still looming, parents are still concerned about the high volume of cases. Good evening. I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Today, Governor Bill Lee announced how schools in Tennessee will release information on how COVID will impact your child's school. Sydney Edwards went out to talk to parents about the state's plan. Sydney, what do they tell you?
Josh and Kim, Governor Lee said officials were working on a way to best communicate COVID-19 cases in schools. In a presser, he said the way would allow for privacy and transparency. Now, schools have been waiting to hear about those guidelines, and today a few resources were announced.
I'd just like to be notified immediately.
A quick phone call is what CSAS parent Erin Bollinger asks of her school if her child is ever involved with a positive COVID-19 person.
We're notifying everybody when there's one case at Mellow Mushroom or when there's one case at the mall, so we really need to be notifying when we're having a lot more than 10 people congregate together for education.
Sarah Ham has 5 daughters in Hamilton County Schools. She doesn't believe everyone has to know if there is a positive case at a school.
I know there's probably a lot of people that would like to know if there was something in the school, but it looks like when we are exposed to something, it can be kind of contained. So,
according to the district's reentry plans, if a student or staff member tests positive, parents should expect the school to be closed between 48 hours to 72 hours. The plans say students will transition to remote learning and return to class as planned.
I feel well prepared for what to do and what the kids need to do for going to school.
The district's plans do not say who all will be notified or how transparent the information will be. Today, Education Commissioner Penny SHWINN announced new resources for school staff and families, including a dashboard for families to see updates on their child's school. SHWINN also gave an example on how a situation could be addressed.
What happened was there was a positive case, the school was notified, the school then notified the family members of any students in that classroom. Those students all went into the mandatory quarantine period, and then they were able to resume school as normal.
SHWINN says these resources are to help students and staff feel safe and healthy, whether they're learning from home or in class.
Now, we reached out to several school districts in our viewing area, including Hamilton and Bradley counties. We've not yet heard back on their exact plans of action. Reporting live in Chattanooga, Sydney Edwards, NewsChannel 9.
Okay, thank you, Sydney. For links of those state resources, check out our website. It's newschannel9.com.